Hello, my name is Eero Heikkilä. I came from Finland here to Florida, Jacksonville, Pontevero Beach, to visit Dr. Davenport here because of the allergic treatment to animals, plants, everything. Like I had like a couple of weeks ago very much allergies to dogs, cats, different kind of fresh fruits and plants. But now I haven't gotten any more. I can handle animals such as dogs, cats, and I don't have to worry about any more of my fruit allergies in restaurants or kind of stuff. And I can eat apples, pears again. And I'm very grateful of that opportunity again. And I would recommend Dr. Davenport's treatment to everyone who has who struggles with his or her allergies. Thank you.